Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today we're going to be digging out a sloped driveway. So what we've already done is we already staked out our slope and we figured that out. If you want to see how we did that, go ahead and check up this tab right up here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dig out as we go up and just shoot grade at those grade stakes that we have marked out. You can see here that we're starting our dig at the bottom of our road. And I have my dad on the story pole. He's shooting grade for me as we go up. And you'll notice that he doesn't only shoot in the middle, he's also shooting on the left and the right side of the road. That way we can keep the road perfectly level the entire way up from left to right also. We're also digging about 2 feet away on the left-hand side so we can widen out our road. That way it's a lot easier to back trailers up or take larger equipment up here because we need to get a cement truck up this road eventually also. You'll see here too that we are doing most of the digging here in the beginning. This is where it was really steep incline right off the get-go. So this is probably where we have most of our digging right here. Here we are using a Land Pride 1260 box scraper with the rippers set even with the blade just to smooth everything over. After multiple passes with the box scraper, we got this road nice and even. What that box scraper is doing is it's knocking and shaving off your high spots and filling in your lows, giving you this really nice and even look. It saves tons of time. It probably would have taken us at least 3 hours by hand to rake in everything and make it look nice and even. Because remember, we had a lot to dig in up here, and we ended up filling in the back there. We were low. So the grade stakes are really important to make sure that you're following your grade, and then just evening that out with the box scraper was really nice. So the last thing that you can do is you can either grass seed, which is what we're gonna do, or you can throw some stone down here and get this ready for an actual road, paving it or putting concrete on. We're just gonna throw grass seed on and wait a couple years maybe, come back and do it later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.